Hey everyone, welcome back to Whale Dream. Today I'm packing a special jewelry order worth 19,000 for a reseller. I love sharing my small business journey with you all. So stay tuned to see the full packing process and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more behind the scenes content. This reseller has picked some of our best selling jewelry pieces, so I want to make sure everything is perfect. 19,000 rupees. That's what this order right here is worth. And guess what? This isn't a one time thing. This is what's possible when you start your own thing. Today I'm gonna show you can start making money like this with easy and creative business ideas you can launch right now. You just saw me packing up a pretty sweet order, right? And I am not showing off. I promise I'm showing you what's achievable. If you are ready to turn your creativity into cash, stick around because I've got a whole bunch of ideas that are simple, fun, and are finally doable. Let's dive in. The number one is customized stickers. What it is actually, design and sell custom stickers for laptops, water bottles, or cars using a vinyl cutter or sticker paper. Why it works? Stickers are low cost to produce and appeal to all ages. You can make them fun, motivational, or quirky, and they are easy to sell on platforms like Etsy, or you can also sell it on your social media accounts like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Number second is personalized hand towels or napkins. What it is? Embroider or print names, initials, or cute designs on hand towels, kitchen towels, or cloth napkins. Why it works? Personalized home items are always in demand. People love unique, functional products for their kitchens or bathrooms, especially for gifts. Pressed flower or plants in frames. What it is? Collect flowers or leaves, press them, and frame them in decorative ways for home decor. And why it works. Pressed flower art is a trendy way to bring nature indoors. It's simple to make, and the finished products can be sold as beautiful, unique home decorations. Homemade lip balm. Create natural homemade lip balms using beeswax, chia seeds, and essential oils. Lip balms are small, inexpensive, and easy to make. You can create a variety of flavors and scents and sell them as a part of a self care or beauty product line. Personalized phone grips or pop sockets. Customize phone grips or pop sockets with fun design names or unique artworks. Pop sockets are widely popular and everyone uses them to make holding their phone easier. Often personalized versions can make them even more appealing. Handmade beaded keychains. Create and sell beaded keychains with simple patterns or personalized designs. Keychains are a simple item and the beaded designs give it a creative, unique twist. It's a low cost craft to make and easy to sell online or locally. Customized tote bag. What it is? Use fabric paint, embroidery, or iron on transfers to design personalized tote bags for everyday use or special occasions. Tote bags are versatile and popular for shopping, carrying books, or even a casual accessory. Custom designs are a great way to make them stand out. Plant-based candles, soy or beeswax. Make candles using eco-friendly waxes like soy or beeswax along with essential oils and wicks. Eco-conscious consumers love clean burning natural candles. You can experiment with different scents and designs to make them unique and gift worthy. DIY dream catchers. Craft simple dream catchers using beads, feathers, string, and hoops. Dream catchers are trendy and they are simple craft to create. You can offer unique colors, sizes, or even personalized versions for more customized touch. Homemade gourmet popcorns. Make and sell gourmet popcorn in a variety of flavors like caramel, cheese, or spicy seasonings. Popcorn is easy to make, and by offering creative flavors, you can appeal to snack lovers, perfect for selling at local events or online as one gift basket. Decorative coasters. Create personalized or themed coasters using materials like wood cork, ceramic tiles, and paint or print designs on them. Coasters are particle home items, and by personalizing them or offering trending design, you can create something people want to buy for themselves or as gifts. Custom face mask. Make and sell personalized or stylish fabric face mask with fun pattern, quotes, or names. Even though the peak of the pandemic is over, face masks are still a popular accessory. People like to express themselves through their masks, so customization is a great selling point. Mini terrariums create small glass terrariums with succulents, air plants, or moss and sell them as cute home or office decorations. Mini plants are trendy and terrariums make great gifts. They are easy to create and the plant require minimal care, making them appealing to busy people. Handmade hair scrunchies. Make stylish and comfortable hair scrunchies using different fabrics, patterns, and colors. Hair scrunchies are simple, trendy accessory that always in demand. They are easy to make and customize for different seasons or styles. That's it for today. I hope you like the ideas. If you want the part 2, so let me know in the comment box. And if you like these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and tell me in the comments which one you want to try. See you next time. And that's it. The order is all packed and ready to be shipped. I am so excited for my reseller to receive these beautiful pieces and share them with their customers. Thank you for joining me on this packaging journey. If you love small business content, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more behind the scenes moments. See you in the next video. Bye.